All right, Catherine here. Basic lighting control. Instead of a knob, you have now a push button on the Bentley. All you do is push this. It's on auto. That's where it should be all the time. If you want the lights on, just push it again and you'll see it says here headlights on. If I push it a second time, okay, you get the side markers on. If I push it a third time, it turns everything off. Again, you want this to stay on automatic lights. You've got your all-weather lights here, commonly known as fog lights. If you turn those on, you'll get fog lights on, all-weather lights on, and then all-weather lights off. And then the button on the left is a rear mist lamp. You would only use that in heavy fog. Again, that's not something that we use much in California. It's more to get if you're going to get rear-ended driving in heavy mist. All right, your cruise control stock is right here. It's fairly straightforward, just like all the other cars. When it's all the way forward, the system is off. Okay, to activate it, you pull it towards you. Okay, and now it can move around like a joystick. You can accelerate, decelerate, okay? You can set it and you can cancel it. And those are just how you control those things. Just turned all the way off, you push it all the way forward again, and now it's defeated. When you pull it forward, okay, you'll feel it's like spring, there's some spring tension there. So just be careful when it's in the forward mode, the joystick doesn't move. When it's towards you, you can move it around. The blinker stock is straightforward. Okay, it's all the straight kind of stuff. Turn signal left and right, high beams towards you. Notice the high beams are on auto. Okay, so that means they will, when there's no oncoming cars, they will go to the high setting. When an oncoming car approaches, they will auto dim. That's probably where you want to leave them 90% of the time. The only other feature that's on here is the lane assist, which is if you push this button in on the end, okay, what that does is it gives you your lane assist system, which helps the car stay in the lane on the freeway. If he doesn't like that, when the car's kind of self-driving, managing to stay in the center of the lane, just push it again and it turns off. Again, that's the button here at the end of the cruise control, at the end of the blinker stock. These paddles, plus and minus, are for shifting. You understand how that works. And then over on the other side, you've got your traditional wipers. You've got your intermittent, your medium, and your high settings. If you pull it towards you, it'll spray the windows. It will also spray the headlights. And then by twisting the end of it, all it does is adjust the sensitivity of the rain sensor that's in the glass.